To protect my home today, the project will be to install and replace a new zone board for HVAC system. So here it's a rim system with a existing Honeywell zone board and dampers which will be replaced. Motor dampers will be replaced. The old zone board actually it was giving a lot of issues, and there are some burn marks on the zone board. This is the zone board, and as you see right here is burnt. So what you have to watch here is a couple of things. We're gonna get, this is my two thermostats right here. I have two dampers right here, common. In this one, common is white. This is my power, and this damper common is yellow, and I have a blue one for the 12 volts, and this will be my equipment right here. It seems like they jumped the 12 volts right here, as you see. So I'm using a new Honeywell board, which is okay, don't fall, which is HZ311. So yeah, okay, this is the damper. So once you locate the screw, the Allen wrench, go ahead and unscrew it, disconnect from the power, and as you see, the whole thing needs to come out. Okay, you gotta make sure it's the damper is in open position, so you can, that's closed, so that's open. So new damper motor, it is in open position, so it's power closed, and manual will be open when there is no power. It comes with two bolts right here. Okay, I already got the bolt in with the Allen wrench, so I want to make sure it's going to be easy and accessible when I put it in to tighten. So you need to make sure you align this right here, right, it goes in that hole so it can be aligned. Okay, once it's in, go ahead and tight really well. Okay, and I will restrip those, make it sure it's nicely and straight so I can put it in. So my white wire is common, green wire it's my 12 volt, white goes to M1, green go to M6. I showed you that on the board, so let's go to the board. So this is what I have here is thermostat 1, damper 1, thermostat 2, damper 2. So I will separate the dampers. I want to make sure I'm adding the thermostats in, and I will get the equipment goes in, and this is my power 24 right here. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, this is my zone board. It just came from the package. So this is the new zone board. So power goes right here, equipment goes here. So I can do 3 zones here, but I only have 2. So as you see, zone 1, M1, which is common, M6 zone, thermostat. So let's go ahead and do it. So I just gotta touch the new board in. Oh, my light just went off. Okay, I will go ahead and start doing disconnecting equipment and damper. So I just got thermostat 1. As you see, I don't want to leave too much wire, so it's nicely stripped. So I'm gonna add the zone 1 damper as well. Okay, dampers are in. Make sure your wires are nicely in, nothing is coming loose. So now I'm adding second thermostat. Okay, I just disconnected the equipment wiring and my power. right here, and the last one will be my sensors. Okay, I added the equipment here. As you see, I jumped the R so I can get power. Common goes to the power. So the equipment you're getting the RC, white, yellow and green. So everything is looking good, so I'm ready to go ahead and test it. Okay, I got everything in, looking good so far. So I'm gonna run one of the thermostats on heat, so I want to see if my dampers will open and close, so stay tuned. So I just added heat mode, so let me see the dampers. One of the dampers already closed, other one is open. Alright, let me switch the dampers, check it out. Okay, unit is on, looks good. So I'll switch the dampers just to see what's going on there. So let's see if I get air here. Alright, I get plenty temperature second floor, so let's switch those thermostats. Okay, just added this one to 72 so I can kick on. Okay, so now this one is open, this one is closed, so we're working, everything looks good, furnace is working. Let me check the zone board. Yeah, everything looks good. Everything looks good. That was a project which we did. Installed the zone board with the 2 motor dampers and 2 thermostats. So thank you for watching, and follow us for more content, and please put a comment, please subscribe.